We are back, and before putting on the front suspension, I want to get the firewall painted. As you can see, it's not looking too good. So we're going to sand it down and put some primer on it, paint it, put the front suspension on, put on the front wheels, and see how it looks.
That part of the video.
This is my personal one.
Where's ours?
Who's over here trying to kill us? We don't have
Safety
masks.
first.
But it's all good. One man gets safety, the rest of us just get dumped.
Looking pretty good.
Yeah, it's coming along pretty good, dude. So now it's getting pretty far. This is our second coat. You'll get your third coat on there. Should be pretty buttoned up closely. And once you get that done, that's when we're taking down. We're gonna be putting this guy down, folding that up under there. Getting all brand new energy suspension bushing kit that we got, and then starts the 350 rebuild. That'll be pretty exciting. Can't wait to get tearing into that bad boy. Get that original 350 all brand new, refreshed, and get it ready for some twin turbos one day. All right, guys, this is another day of the vlog. Just got done doing some burnouts in the old Firebird, but today we're just gonna go ahead and try to finish up some of the alignment on this good old Detroit Speed front end. And we got Elliot over here. He's kind of doing his thing with some plumb bob. But
So from Detroit Speed, this is what you use with a chalk pin or whatever this is to line up the front suspension. So from the mount area, so you just have this, and from the bolt, and you just mark down. You just mark right on the ground on all four body mount positions. Then you just measure diagonally, and they all should be around the same measurement. And that's how you apparently align this front suspension. So we're going to go do that, align it, get it completely straight. I think it looks like it's going that way a little bit. And guys, looks like the front firewall looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. I think it looks pretty good. I mean, you could get better, but for us, I think it's fine. It's gonna be covered up by the engine and pretty much everything else. And it's not like it's gonna be like a complete show car. I'm using it more for it's gonna be more for racing and stuff like that. So I'm happy with it. So let's go and line this front suspension.
Hell yeah.
Cause it's a small. It's like 1/16.
Yeah.
Has to
We'll
be
be able to see it,
1/16 of the measurement or something like that.
That right there, that little guy, is our arrow. But you can't see her. She's actually right here. You want to see it right there? Little arrow and our dot. We can see it in person. It may not show up real good on camera, but that little guy's going to be our alignment mark for the day.
So it's all good. It is what it is.
Oh yeah. So
We'll have a full-on professional alignment once we're all set up and done. We're just kind of getting this all tucked in, because we still got to get brakes and engine and get the LS motor swap. So, and about 10 trillion hours of body panel work. Painting a car ain't easy. What are we doing with the back ones?
Yep. Alright, I'm going to set the camera down again. Do some more underbody footage. See what we got here.
We're coming down the other side. Don't you hold fire, son.
Hold fire. Let's see here. Chassis mount bolt is right here. Okay. Hold on, I'm just trying to get lined up on my fingertip. You know what to say. One finger's enough. Hopefully that's good. We'll see.
Yeah. So the alignment shop will be able to take a little
Extra fun and care while it's going down.
it looks like it's going this way.
So it's so hard to tell with all the body panels off the car, to be honest. But it'll be alright. We'll get her in there. Really can't screw it up too much. But as long as she goes down the road till the alignment shop, that's all that matters, right? We're gonna do the black lights, see that freaking Sharpie mark.
Wow, that's actually pretty.
Then again, I have the big line. Okay.
Alright.
Yummy. Alright. I'm gonna run to the other side real quick. Give the folks on the channel a little chance to see what we got going on. This is what we meant by a diagonal.
We're gonna go ahead and take this tape measure. I'm gonna line it up with my big red paint dot over here. So far, we already did a quick measurement off camera, and we're looking at 4 foot 1 inch coming in, dropping her down. Camera doesn't like to focus in on here. There you guys go. Quick photo shot. You just kind of see that red dot right there. We're focusing. This one's reading 4 foot 1 inch. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn this over here. I'm gonna read the front line. And then you guys will get a better shot over this one, what I'm reading, basically. I'll give you guys a better foot. Come in. It's one of those old man tape measures. Come in, 4 foot 1 inch from dot to dot.
She's looking pretty good. So yeah, we finally got her all buttoned up, which is cool, because now you can get this thing tightened up 100%. And then this is one less thing for us to do, you know. Pretty chill, not too bad. So let's grab that wrench and start slapping some bolts in.
Yep. Torque it later.
Come down and get the torque wrench out and torque all the bolts down to tighten spec. Sweet deal, dude.
I have to look up the spec. I'm not sure what it is.
Yeah, that's what the older manual and the little quick book it came with comes with. So that's cool. Sweet deal. Let's get the jack out from under it, because now we don't have to worry too much about it because it's all tightened up. And then from there, let's get there's just so much to do. I don't know what to do next. Let's just
Body work now, honestly.
yeah, let's do it. Time to bust out some sanding.